if you're a youth leader, you'll got a bunch of people who are waiting for prayer, so we just want something to make your way down. Loved everything Adam had to say. I just want to throw a quick word of encouragement on that. You know, as we look at our lives and we look at our brokenness, I've shared this a couple of times recently, some really basic maths for you tonight. Sometimes as broken people, we figure we can find another way. We don't need God, we'll just find another person. And in the work I do, I meet lots of broken people who are reaching out to other broken people because they think that when you get two half people, that they act together and they make a whole. What we find in relationships is this though. When my brokenness bumps up against someone else's brokenness, it multiplies. So when my halfness bumps into someone else's halfness in a relationship, we don't form a whole, we become a quarter. And we keep reducing, we keep multiplying our troubles. The Bible talks about this, but here's the cool thing. We serve an infinite God. Infinite. And if you know your maths, here's what happens when anything bumps up against infinity. Everything becomes possible. Everything becomes possible. And maybe tonight you're thinking, you know what? I heard what Adam has to say. That's me, that's right where I'm at. But I'll find another way. I'm just going to tell you real simple. Your brokenness is going to keep upping into our brokenness. And it's just going to keep reducing, it's going to keep falling down, it's going to keep failing. And what you need is a glimpse of eternity. So we're going to sing this song through just a little bit more. And I'd encourage, maybe you're in front, maybe you're thinking, I'm so broken. I don't want to be broken anymore. Maybe you're still sitting back, still hanging on saying, I'll be fine. You don't need another person to be broken. You need an infinite God who can restore you and make you whole and make you more than you can ever imagine. Can we sing that together?
My heart will respond to your word. Desperate for heaven to return. Now I will live for you. Hold me devoted, heavens open wide as I lift my hands high, resting in your truth. In your presence I can find everlasting joy. My purpose unfolds in you. Heavens open wide as I lift my hands high, resting in your truth. In your presence I can find everlasting joy. My purpose unfolds in you. Heavens open wide as I lift my hands high, resting in your truth. In your presence I can find everlasting joy. My purpose unfolds in you. Heavens open wide as I lift my hands high, resting in your truth. In your presence I can find everlasting joy. My purpose unfolds.